Are you wanting an adjustable base, but you're afraid that your current bedroom set won't work with an adjustable base? That's what this week's question of the week is. We had a customer that had a wonderful drawer bed, and the question was, could she do a adjustable base with that drawer? Well, the issue with that is sometimes the drawer is set so high that it raises the mattress entirely too high to be accessible safely. And that's what we run into a lot of the times. Now, most beds that have a drawer are platform in that they have slats all across, and you don't need to put a box spring or a foundation on there. You just simply lay the mattress on there. When that happens, the adjustable base, which is 4 inches in width, can be laid on those slats. But a lot of today's mattresses are anywhere from 12 to 15 inches. So if you add 4 inches plus the 14 inches, let's say, you have 18 inches. So you would be adding 18 inches to whatever height of the slats. It's important to note that the most important part of doing this and adding a base to a bed is height. Height is really important because number one, it's your safety, and number two is you don't want to have to use a stepladder to get into bed. And we're seeing a lot more of these taller beds coming in. We're having to order them because those are the models available to our customers, and that's what our customers are coming in with too. So I guess what I'm saying, to wrap it all up, is if you're looking to put an adjustable base on a bedroom set that is a platform that has drawers, it's important to measure the distance from the top of the slats to the ground. And then with that measurement, we can then add the 4 inches to the base, and then whatever the bed height's going to be to get an overall bed height. Safe bed heights are anywhere from 24 to about 26, 27 inches. Any taller than that, and you start getting into a range that would be a little too high for most people. You just want to keep it to where you're safe. If you roll out of bed, you're not going to fall like some unknown distance, and you're not having to slide out of bed in order to get to the floor, because in the morning, you know, sometimes you're asleep. If you need any information about this, please feel free to contact us because we do this a lot. And I just want you to know that there are solutions out there. The best way to get a hold of us is to either message us or comment below, or email us at info@livewellfurnishings.com. We'd be happy to answer any questions you may have about this. We know it's a concern. We get our fair amount of customers that are asking this same question. If this video has helped you, please like it, please share it. Actually, if you comment below, if you share it with somebody, it helps us grow this channel. And we're spending a lot of time making these videos so that way we can help our customer base online and in store find the answers they're looking for when they're mattress shopping. So that way they're going in educated and knowing what they're talking about. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.